In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Brave browser on your Windows computer. Brave is not just any browser, it's designed with privacy in mind, blocking ads and trackers by default, which makes your browsing experience faster and more secure. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to open the web browser you currently use on your computer. This could be something like Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome, whichever you prefer. Once your browser is open, direct your attention to the address bar, which is usually at the very top of your window. In this address bar, carefully type in https://brave.com and then hit the Enter key on your keyboard. This will take you straight to the Brave home page. Now that you're on the Brave website, you'll see a prominent button labeled Download Brave. Go ahead and click on this button. The website is smart enough to recognize your operating system, so it will automatically select the correct version for Windows and proceed with the download. Once Brave has finished downloading, you'll notice a prompt at the bottom of your browser window with the file named bravebrowsersetup.exe. Click on that file to start the installation process. Now, it's quite possible that a Windows security pop-up might appear, asking for your permission to continue. It will display a message like, "Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device?" Simply go ahead and click Yes. This is a standard protocol to ensure you're aware of new software being installed on your system. The Brave installer will now open, and without any further input required, it will begin the installation process. This is usually a quick task, taking less than a minute, so just sit tight while it completes. The quick installation process reflects the overall efficiency of Brave as a browser, something you'll soon experience firsthand. Once the installation wraps, the Brave browser will launch automatically, giving you an immediate opportunity to explore its features. It's that simple and straightforward. You've successfully downloaded and installed Brave on your device, ready to enjoy a faster browsing experience with enhanced privacy. And that's it for this tutorial. You'll quickly notice the difference in speed and privacy with Brave compared to other browsers. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the settings and options available to tailor your experience. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips.